How different types of data get stored in form of 0 and 1. 1 and 0 are nothing but just two different voltage levels. You can make a computer understand 1 for higher voltage and 0 for lower voltage. There are many different ways to store these two voltage levels. One of the most basic ways is using a magnetic tape. The tape has a coating of ferromagnetic material that has domains aligned in a particular direction, giving it a remnant magnetic field. When data is loaded onto the tape, a magnetic field is passed in one direction to represent a saved orientation of a domain as 1, and in another direction to represent a saved orientation of a domain as 0. This is how 1 and 0 data are generally stored. Now let's talk about text data. Text is generally stored as ASCII or Unicode codes. When text is typed, text compilers convert it into a code where each character has a corresponding ASCII or Unicode equivalent. These codes are then converted into binary, which is a series of 1s and 0s. The binary data is processed by a machine-level compiler and then converted back to text. The storage of text data is done in a data file, which reserves memory for the storage of the file, and the file itself is stored in the form of 1s and 0es. Moving on to audio data. Audio is stored based on frequency. Each frequency has a certain code that is converted into machine language to store the audio. The differences between frequencies are detected by converting the audio into an electric analog signal. This signal has different voltages that change with the audio frequency, and these voltages are stored in computer memory to retrieve the audio. Now let's talk about video data. Video and pictures are stored based on pixel colors. Pixels are small boxes on the screen that have a particular color. The entire computer screen output is composed of these pixels. Video and picture data are stored by assigning specific colors to each pixel.